right, I want to go over the Kinhank GT1 Google certified device. I'm on their current website. Kinhank, if you didn't know, is a I'm new to it, but they have a lot of Android TV box and emulators, two systems in one. A lot of retro gamings, emulator consoles, but they do make Android devices. And I bought one from Amazon called the GT1, and I'm going to pull it up right now. They got boxes that range from $349.99, but this is the one I bought, and I just received it. And I want to show you what's inside of it. This is what it looks like. Here's the remote control. You can see it's very has a minimal look, so it's not a lot of clutter. The box is very clean, black matte, just matte black, and it just runs really good. It looks really good. Um, some of the things it does, it's Google Netflix dual certified. So they pay the licensing to have Google TV and to have the best of Netflix. So you shouldn't have any problems signing in or doing whatever it is. It is running Android 11, and it has the Android TV platform right here, which is pretty amazing. Some of the things I love about it, it is Wi-Fi 6. It again, Android 11, but it's an official Netflix and Google certified device. It gives you the Google Assistant, but because a lot of people have Netflix or they have Google products, it's going to run at an optimal level to include Prime Video. All right, so that's one of the best things about it. Another thing, they say there's 5,000 different apps, 50,000 movies and TV shows. What they mean is if you have Google, you can download a lot of fast channels. You can install a lot of apps that already have the content in it legally and begin to use it. It does shout out 4K HDR. Here's the standard SDR, and then there's the high definition Dolby HDR display. It does have all the Dolby digital audio. So, and another beautiful thing, Chromecast built in. So if you want to cast something from your phone through the device to your TV, it's just going to work really well. The specs are 4 GB internal memory, 32 gigs expanded. Again, Wi-Fi 6, and it runs at super fast. So the chip is S905X4, and it also has games. I mean, you can buy it with the gaming console. They'll put the games in. I just bought the one that has just the live TV. So I thought that was pretty amazing. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. You can see Wi-Fi 6, higher Wi-Fi 6 speeds for networking, less buffering. It's a really good box. I got it from Amazon for $99.99. You could get it from them for $89.99. Heck, so far it's worth it. I'm going to shift over to the quick walkthrough, and we're going to take a look at what it looks like and build on it over the next couple of weeks. We'll be adding to it. So let's do that now.
Happy Friday, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Jones. I'm from theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, let's take a look really quick at the Kinhank G1 Google certified device. It's really good. So if this is your first time to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, thank you so much for being here. We are the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and assist you one video at a time. I'm going to jump right in. I've already set up my developer options. I've shown you in the previous part of the first part of the video what was in the box. This is actually the Android TV launcher page. It's just about on every media device in 2024 and beyond. I think it's going to be a standard. It's a standard on just about every media device. So it makes everything look the same, but you can get the same quality, all right, and same experience. Now I'm going to go right to the apps here, and we're going to look at what is on the device. You can see that these came default: Netflix, Google Play, Downloader, CW. This CW app is amazing. This launcher I did a video on, a couple of utility apps. So I'm going to add these things to favorite because I have everything I need for this video. So I'm going to hit the back button. I'm going to go over to this plus sign and press OK. And then I'm just going to start adding things that I like to favorites. I like that. I like that. If you haven't seen Monkey Man, really good movie. Let's go to CW. Let's go Tubi. And I'm going to put Zeus on here. That's great. Now, let's say I want to move Tubi to the left. I'll hold that down. Highlight move. Press OK. It's blinking. I tap the directional thing to the left, and we are good to release it. I hit the back arrow once, and we are all good. So these are already here. Now, I'm going to go up to the settings wheel, press OK. I'm going to go down to device preferences, and then I'm going to go to about. So you can see that this is a G1 device name. You can see that this is an authorized Netflix device. When you have this long serial number in the settings, you know that it's authorized to be used. They paid the money to have 1080, 720. It's going to work if you have your credentials. Now, if I go down to Android 11, that is the tvOS version. But if I go down to the build, it's going to say I'm already a developer. But if you hit that 8 times, you will become a developer. Hit this back button to the left, the arrow again, and this time go down again to device preferences. You'll see that you have the developer options. You can highlight that and press OK. You then can turn on, that's already on. You want to authorize USB debugging, turn that on, which I did. And then you want to come down here, I've done this already, to the window animation scale. Take that from 0.1 to 0.5, right? Or 1. Same thing from 1 to 0.5. And this one here from 1 to 0.5. The reason it makes the menus really snappy, as you can see, look how it opens up and shuts. It's very quick, and that's what you kind of want. All right, so that's done there. Now, once that's done, it already has downloader. So if you want to sideload different applications, you can. I like the Troy Point Toolbox. That's one of my favorite ones. But let's say you have a VPN. You can use this to get a VPN. You can use this to get any application that you choose. And so I really love the fact that downloader's on here, and it makes it easy for you to get what you want. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. And then if I go up here, we're going to put in a code here. And we'll do this 250. Okay. And we'll get rid of the keyboard and press go. Once it does that, it's going to go straight to this website here, which I love and I put on all my devices. And it makes it easy for me to find things that are already set up, ready to go. It is a toolbox full of applications that I use on my device. So having downloader is a great thing. As I hit the home button, now you also have Wi-Fi 6. So this is a Wi-Fi 6 capable device. It's an upgrade from Wi-Fi 4. Okay, so it's able and ready as technology changes that you can have faster speeds, more privacy. This box is already set up with Wi-Fi 6. And also it's Google certified, so that means it uses Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening.
So it opened YouTube. Open Play Store.
Opening.
It opened Play Store. Tell me a joke. Okay. So it uses Google Assistant, so you can use your voice on just about any application that's on the device. Also, this is the real Google Play Store, not the mobile Google Play Store like some other manufacturers like to say they have the Google Play Store. It's not the full Play Store. This is the Android TV version of the Play Store, and so you'll have things that run very well on the Google TV platform. And so you should be able to find the free things like Freevee, Tubi. Speaking of Tubi, let's go ahead and open that up. And as you see, Tubi, I already have it on my device. If I press OK, this is a fast channel, free ad-supported channel. So if I go to We Are the Millers, which is a great movie, It's going to have ads. Let's just see how this plays as we get ready to close out the video. Now, I'm going to show in another video how Netflix works and things of that nature. I'm trying to keep the time down. But at any rate, I want to show you if Tubi plays well. I'll make sure that I set this box up and I'll call it what I call pimp it out. And then I'll give you guys a way to text to a number, a word to a number, so you can get that video, so you can see how, if there's IPTV, you can see how that runs. You can see how the live TV runs, how, you know, different movie titles run, things of that nature. And that way you can see the complete way that this box runs. And we really like that. But for this video, we're keeping it very basic, but man, is it powerful and snappy. So there it is right there. It's very clean. It's running a free ad-supported channel. Not a lot of buffering, even though I'm in the dungeon. And I'm going to hit the back button and exit, and then hit the home button. So we're back at the home page. Now, one of the things I love about this Android TV platform is everything's in front of you. So if you do have Prime Video, which I do, you can connect it. CW is a free app. I mean, you're not going to find it on a lot of things, but it's on Android TV. Of course, Tubi's there. Now, you can customize a lot of different things on this. So if I wanted to customize the channels, and you got this right here, you could turn these on like this, and they'll be there as well. So you can definitely customize the home page, and it's going to show you what it needs to show you. As I get ready to close out the video, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. There's a lot of things that I'm going to show, but I'm going to show at a different time. In the next video, I'm going to connect our Netflix and even our Prime and show you how those things play. And I'm also going to look at this launcher by adding it. I want to see how it works on that as well. This device is about $99. I bought it off Amazon. It is a great website. They have set this box for the future. And if you're going to spend $100 on a device, I guarantee you it should last you more than 2 years or 3 years if you just use it the way you're supposed to. With that in mind, thank you guys for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up in the video. I'll see you in the next video. And as we get close to announcing the winner of the free Formula Z11 Pro Max. Have a great week.